The right breastfeeding position can help ensure your baby latches correctly and can also help reduce the risk of nipple pain and improve milk flow, which is essential for your baby's nutrition. Welcome to our channel. Breastfeeding can be a beautiful bonding experience, but finding the right position is crucial for both you and your baby. Today, we'll explore different breastfeeding positions, highlighting their benefits and helping you discover what works best for you. Whether you're a new mom or a seasoned pro, the right position can make all the difference. Let's talk about why positioning matters. The right breastfeeding position can help ensure your baby latches correctly, making the experience more comfortable and effective for both of you. It can also reduce the risk of nipple pain and improve milk flow, which is essential for your baby's nutrition. Here are some popular breastfeeding positions. 1. Cradle hold. The cradle hold is the most common position. You hold your baby in your arm, with their body facing you. It's great for eye contact and bonding, but be mindful of supporting your baby's head and neck. 2. Cross-cradle hold. In the cross-cradle hold, you support your baby with the opposite arm. This position allows you to guide your baby's head more easily, making it ideal for newborns or if you're having latch issues. 3. Football hold. The football hold involves tucking your baby under your arm like a football. This position is especially helpful for moms who've had a C-section, as it keeps the baby away from the incision. 4. Side-lying position. For those late-night feedings, the side-lying position is a lifesaver. Both you and your baby lie on your sides, making it easy to relax while nursing. 5. Laid-back position. In the laid-back position, you recline slightly, allowing gravity to help your baby latch. This position encourages a more natural feeding experience and can be great for establishing a comfortable rhythm. Finding the right position may take some time, so here are a few tips to help you along the way. 1. Experiment and be patient. Try different positions and allow yourself to adjust. Every mother-baby pair is unique, so what works for one may not work for another. 2. Use support. Pillows can provide added comfort and support, making it easier to maintain a good position. 3. Listen to your body. If you feel discomfort, don't hesitate to switch positions. Comfort is key to a successful breastfeeding experience. Remember, breastfeeding is a personal journey, and the right position can enhance your experience. Don't hesitate to reach out to a lactation consultant if you need further assistance. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your experiences with breastfeeding positions in the comments below. Happy breastfeeding!